Hi there, welcome to your TechMan. Let's create an animated text like this using HTML and CSS only. So let's open your favorite text editor. In my case, it's VS Code. So if you are on VS Code, click Shift 1 and then click Tab for the basic HTML structure. So I'll name it typing effect. Inside the body, I will have a div with a class name of typing. And then inside this div, I will have a text. Hello there, welcome to TechMan. So I will save it. After that, I will go to the head section and then I will type the style tag, and then inside this style, I will style the body first. We'll have a display flags. The content will be center, align items center, and then height will be 100, viewport height. Background will be, and then the color will be something closer to green. Maybe this is green. Alright, and then font family. You can choose your own font, own color palettes, and then you can choose the color for background on your own. It depends on what color you want to use. So the font size will be 2 red. After that, I will call the class by this dot typing class. Border right will be 2px solid, and then the color will be same as text. And white space will be no red. Overflow hidden with 0. Animation typing will create this animation below. Steps 30. And then there will be another animation named blink, which will be 0.7s infinite. So let's create the animation. Keyframe typing with 0 to 20 ch, and let's build another animation that will be blink. Keyframes blink 50%. Border color will be transparent. So let's save this as index.html and then double click the file. Let's see. Hello there, welcome. Alright, here you will have the number of characters based on the text you put here. So your number of characters would be, in my case, the number of characters would be 32. So let's change it to 32, and then if you see now, yep, it's working.